Hey, what's going on? You know who it is. It is Bruce Jordan, the Michael Jordan of hotels. And today we got Angela with Pacific Lodging Supplies. How are you doing today?
I'm doing good, thank you.
Listen, a lot has been changing in our industry and supplies have been going up, 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 up. What is going on at Pacific Lodging Supplies that they're trying to bring these costs down?
Everything good has been going on. We have all the supplies that anyone can look for. We're a one-stop shop. So we definitely have what people are looking for. We're always looking to do great customer service for our customers, and we're looking to help them out with the wonderful prices we give.
Now, things that you've been seeing as far as pricing, what are some of the top things that you've been seeing at Pacific that are bringing the prices down? Like, what are some of the cheapest items that you've seen so far?
Probably our pixel sheets. Those are new, so we are bringing them in now ourselves, importing them to help bring down the cost. That's one of the best things. Our Sleep Nest platform beds, those are great. Those are wonderful. I have tons of customers waiting for those right now.
Nice.
So, and our mattress encasements, one of the best.
Okay. Can you explain what has been driving prices up? Before they said it was COVID, and then COVID came and went, but it seems like the prices didn't come all the way back down to normal.
Yeah. I really don't know what drives them up. I think that no matter what happens, there's always going to be something they're going to come up with. So I think the most we can do is always try to work with the customers. If I call someone from a phone factory, they're probably going to say it's phone prices. If I call someone from a cardboard factory, they're going to say it's cardboard prices. Someone's going to tell me it's pirates. So I've heard it all.
I'm the captain now.
That's what happens. I don't know what drives the prices up, honestly. I just know we try our best to try to work with the customer. If they bring me other pricing, I always try to help them out and match it or try to do better. We always try to give them free shipping, and we're always on the phone with them. So I always tell the customers, don't even, if you're going to go online, go online. If not, call my customer service team, because we always try to work with you. We try to give those extra discounts. We're always working with them, and we always try to make them happy.
Now, tell us about shipping. Like, one, I'm surprised that your shipping is free. You could probably touch on that a little bit more. And two, what is the average length of time that it takes for a product to be shipped?
Yeah, we always try to work with our customers. So the reason why I say our shipping is free is because we always try to guide our customers.
Okay.
So we tell them, okay, you know what? Right now you're ordering like 2 items. Maybe add 1 more. Maybe we can help you with this. Maybe we can help you with that. So we can get you that free shipping. And we do have customers that call 6 or 7 times, and they're like, okay, if I add this, will this help? If I do this, we help them so much. We really, really push our customer service. I have a wonderful team that works under me. That's my customer service team. I'm the customer service manager.
Nice.
So I push the fact that we have people that answer the phone. So we try to guide them, and we try to help the customers, because we're really big on making sure that they can save that extra dollar.
Nice. I love these. These aren't my favorite beds, but I like this style. But the one over there, this one right here, this is actually my favorite, because I don't need a box spring.
Yeah.
I just need a nice mattress. And I don't have to worry about anything else, you know what I mean? Like, I don't have to worry about bed bugs because it's a steel frame, you know what I mean? So
yeah, that's a Sleep Nest. So, that takes up to 3,000 pounds.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
So, everyone can jump on that thing. It's not going to break. It's 3,000 pounds.
Yeah, that's incredible. That's incredible.
That's one of the best beds there is. I have so many people who buy that bed, because once you put that in, it's a lifetime buy. It's going to be there forever.
Is it a lifetime warranty?
It's a 5-year warranty, but Pacific Lodging has been in business for more than 35 years. So then you have Pacific Lodging warranty on top of it. So I haven't had anyone need to bring one back, because those things weigh 100 pounds each. Once they're in there, no one's breaking them.
Now, tell me about some of the products that are actually under warranty besides this platform that bring.
It's kind of everything. We have luggage carts. The luggage carts are great, and we stand behind them 100% because we make them ourselves.
Oh, wow.
If anything like goes wrong with them, we always say, you know what, send it back. Could you tell me what's wrong with it? Let me see what's wrong. Is there a manufacturer defect? Let us help you with it. Let me send you a return label. We want to see what's going on. Our mattress encasements, if the zippers break or something's wrong, it's like, let me see. I want to send a return label. The owner is very hands-on.
Yeah.
So he always wants to know like what's wrong with my item.
Oh, that is fantastic.
So it's a good, really good customer satisfaction. So we stick behind it.
Listen, you know them zippers break all the time. So someone is going to actually stand behind it. That's a plus. But thank you so much. I appreciate you. And this is Bruce Jordan, the Michael Jordan Hotels, signing out. This episode was brought to you by the Hotel Revenue Bible, the #1 hotel revenue book that has ever been written. It includes revenue management, digital ads, social media marketing, sales, catering, F&B, and more. Grab your copy today at hotelrevenuebible.com.